Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Vishakha Thakur.
And I'm Ruchi Sharma. Virtual digital assets or VDM markets remained range-bound this week despite benefiting from a weaker dollar after some relatively softer consumer inflation readings for April. The world's largest cryptocurrency had pushed as high as $66,700 before losing momentum and settling around $65,200.
Well, big news coming from our Indian subcontinent, providing a hope of regulatory clarity regarding crypto regulations. Apparently, India's Securities and Exchange Board of India has recommended multiple regulators to oversee crypto trade nationwide, contrasting the Reserve Bank of India's tightened grip on cryptocurrency since 2017.
The decision has gained traction among Indian crypto market participants as the RBI has had a firm grip on cryptocurrency since 2017, prohibiting banks and other regulated institutions from facilitating the trade of virtual digital assets.
Ashish Singhal, co-founder of CoinSwitch, expressed optimism about the decision, stating that an enabling regulatory environment has paved the way for greater consumer adoption in other sectors.
SEBI said it could monitor cryptocurrencies that take the form of securities as well as new offerings called initial coin offerings. It could also issue licenses for equity market-related products, said the person aware of the panel's discussions.
Right, and this would be similar to the US, where tokens that are in the nature of securities and crypto exchanges fall under the purview of SEC. Let's hope with more regulatory clarity with Indian crypto industry would grow leaps and bounds, and we might see some Indian crypto-related products like US Bitcoin ETFs.
Speaking of Bitcoin ETFs, exchange-traded funds based on spot Bitcoin have surfaced in 937 US professional firms. In stark contrast, Bitwise data shows that throughout the same period, investments in gold ETFs came from just 95 professional firms.
Retail investors continue to hold the majority of the float, but professional investors accounted for over $11 billion in exposure by quarter's end, which is 18.7% of total Bitcoin ETFs assets under management.
Professional firms including JP Morgan, UBS and Wells Fargo were among those holding shares of the Bitcoin ETF.
In other interesting developments, the Chicago Mercantile Exchange, the world's largest futures Bitcoin trading platform, is set to introduce spot BTC trading in response to increasing demand from Wall Street investors.
CME is in discussion with crypto traders to establish a regulated marketplace for spot BTC trading, expected to operate through EBS, a Swiss currency trading platform known for its strict regulations on crypto asset trading.
The introduction of spot BTC trading on CME would enable traders to engage in basis trades, a strategy that aims to profit from the small price discrepancies between futures contracts and the underlying spot BTC.
So after exciting updates from the VDM markets, let's have a look at interesting updates from the world of NFTs.
Yes, more than 1 million Pudgy Penguin toys have been sold over the past 12 months, according to the CEO of NFT project, Lukas Netzler.
The founder of the popular Pudgy Penguins NFT project revealed that sales have soared as it continues expanding into retailers among the globe. The sales milestone followed the announcement that Pudgy toys with Pudgy World were now available in the United States retail giant Target.
Pudgy Penguins model allows NFT holders to earn 5% royalties on net revenues from sales of the physical products featuring their unique Pudgy Penguin.
Each toy comes with a QR code that unlocks trades and collectibles inside of the newly updated version of Pudgy World. The QR code on every toy offers an additional layer of engagement, enhancing the consumer experience and fostering a community around the Pudgy Penguins brand.
Moving on, Mercedes-Benz NXT, the German automotive giant's Web3 arm, is launching a new non-fungible token collection in partnership with Moito, a suite for creating NFT marketplaces.
The collection is called the Era of Technology and is the second of 7 eras in the company's Icon series. A limited supply of 780 exclusive collectibles will launch on May 21st at 1800 CET. The mint will be open for 7 days until May 28th.
And now let's have a look at some groundbreaking updates that happened last week in the Metaverse sector.
Somnia, a Layer 1 blockchain and Metaverse protocol, has launched a Metaverse browser that enables users to create personalized content with ease.
Well, that's quite interesting. The browser offers a streamlined, user-friendly interface making it accessible for anyone to connect with Metaverse and exploit myriad opportunities from gaming to application creation.
Along with the Metaverse browser, Somnia is also launching the Somnia Point Dream Hunt campaign that allows users to collect points by interacting with various Metaverse experiences.
And as we know that Somnia recently partnered with Yuga Labs, a bonus awaits holders of select Yuga Labs NFT collections who will receive extra points due to their partnership.
Interestingly, the browser is now available for download on PC and Mac with a mobile version currently in development.
In another interesting development, Sigma Defense, a Georgia-based defense and space manufacturing company, has signed a $4.7 million task order to build a virtual reality intelligence training ecosystem for the US Army.
Under the deal, the Georgia-based firm will build, demonstrate and deploy a next-generation training platform for the US Army's intelligence training project.
Well, the resulting system will leverage augmented intelligence and spatial computing technologies to create a virtual training space for warfighters.
Sandbox Vietnam has partnered with an innovative AI platform, AI.Society, to enrich Metaverse experience. This strategic alliance will merge AI and blockchain technologies to create unique user experiences and sustainable digital environments.
Also, members of both communities can look forward to exclusive community events and tailored NFT drops for AI.Society token holders and additional unique NFT staking programs and reward opportunities for users invested in both ecosystems with SAND and AIS tokens.
Moving on, Web3 gaming sector was on fire last week thanks to Roaring Kitty. Yes, the internet sensation. Roaring Kitty is back to the grind and GameStop stock prices have rallied 120%. Not only GameStop stock but crypto stocks related to Roaring Kitties or GameStop have also rallied.
Also, GameStop-related crypto stocks GameStop, which is meme coin on Sol paying tribute to the 2021 short squeeze of GameStop, traded more than 460% higher. Secondly, a coin inspired by Roaring Kitty himself based on the Solana blockchain is Kitty and it has soared 64%.
Roaring Kitty, a meme coin aka Roar on the Solana network, experienced a significant surge in value after re-emerging online. The token's price surged over 13,000% within hours, raising its market capitalization to tens of millions of dollars.
So moving on to the backbone of Web3 sector, blockchain technology. In an interesting development, Jenny Johnson, President and CEO Franklin Templeton, has long been a blockchain fan. Eventually, I think ETFs and mutual funds are all going to be on blockchain, she told Bloomberg TV last week.
The asset manager issued a money market fund on blockchain, which was the largest blockchain-based treasury fund until last week.
And the Franklin on-chain US government money fund has a market cap of $367 million and more than 400 token holders. It was recently pushed into second spot by BlackRock institutionally targeted BUIDL fund.
Ms. Johnson spoke about the benefits of blockchain. She discussed how the SEC required the asset manager to run the blockchain-built record of shareholders alongside their existing in-house system for 6 to 8 months. We were astonished about how less costly it was to run it on blockchain. It's a very efficient technology, she said.
While this sort of benefit sounds like it would appeal mainly to accountants, it impacts most businesses, especially anything involving transactions. She went on to explain how it reduces the need for counterparties to reconcile because everybody shares the same single source of data.
Well, that's all in Weekly Wrap today. This is me, Ruchi Sharma, signing off.
And this is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off. For more on such updates and market news, please log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code.